The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Thank you, Dennis. Sight and sound is good. Good morning, fellas. Very good morning. Happy Tuesday. If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. If you're newer in the room, welcome as well. Christian, good morning. Guys, hope everyone had a wonderful afternoon. The overnight with the trend candles was terrific. Crude up 1,300. Copper up 712.50. Gold on the Ninzarenko up 750, daily goal. And gold on the 15-minute up 1180. I ran shorts only. So what did we do in the overnight? 1180. 1300. $712.50 and $750. Just putting my charts back where they belong, guys. Plus 750. 3942.50 overnight, guys. I checked. Obviously I posted. I don't run gold 3-minute, Ken. Don't know. I only run the 15-minute and the Ninzarenko. The 15-minute I run as it relates to the trend that I see during the day and where we're at. When we open up at 6 p.m. The trend in gold has been what? Down. So I ran shorts only. That was with 2.8. So right now, just to give you guys an update, and we'll talk about it later. Right now, we are on version 3.0. 2.9 had a couple of bugs. He's fixed those. The only thing that he is testing today on 3.0 is the pending order canceling in 60 seconds. Okay? That is the only thing that needs to be tested. Otherwise, everything works. I should have that. I should have it this morning, sometime before. I'll have it before the meeting. And then we're going to go over, what the changes are. Jonathan, the meeting is at 11:30, and we'll discuss all of those things at 11:30. But for purposes of this conversation, the Ninzarenko and the 1 minute, which I have been doing for a week. But I'll go over all of that at 11:30. Okay? If there's anybody in the room that has the trend candles and you are unaware that there is a meeting at 11:30, I've placed the link in the member chat as well as the member area. Okay? Yeah, part of the problem with the group, Jonathan, is you get a lot of people that either don't pay attention. So for instance, there was one member that was down in the 15-minute on gold, right? That's because they don't think a 15-minute and a Ninzarenko is not the same. An 8-4 Ninzarenko is up and down. Think about the movement within a 15-minute bar, right? It can be up and down. You can take longs and shorts, just retracements and continuations, etc. But a 15-minute bar gives us a much bigger picture of trend. So the problem is people don't pay attention. They don't think for themselves. What is the overall trend currently, say, of gold? Is it up or is it down? Well, on a 3-minute, it could be up, but on a 15-minute, it's still down. What direction makes more sense to trade? I traded shorts last night. Okay. Now we do have buyers today. Be that as it may, the other issue is you get a lot of people that start doing their own thing and they post those results, which can confuse other members. Right? So I decide today I'm going to trade a 4 range on something and I post those results. Well, those results have no longevity and there's no data that may substantiate it. On any given day, any chart may work. And we're going to talk about this today as well. What's being posted in the Skype, etc. I'm going to go over a lot of stuff. Primarily, this is for version 3.0, but I want to talk about things that are getting posted and going from there. In any event, I don't want to belabor it because not everybody in this room has the trend candles and they don't necessarily want to listen to what I'm going to cover anyways at 11:30. Okay, so I have made some subtle changes to what I'm trading. Remember, the goal, whether you're trading manually or you're trading with the trend candles, is to make money. It's not, as I've said 1,000 times, and I'll say it again. In Sim, if we want to trade them for $1,000 a day, that's cool. But if you're trading 5 different charts, you're trying to make $5,000 a day, 20 days in a trade session, you're trying to make 100 grand a month. I don't believe that that's realistic. I think anybody that thinks that is overreaching. So this ties into what you just asked me. So what I'm trying to do is find the most consistent sites. I'm trying to find the most consistent settings that will generate $300 to $500 a day on 15 or 20 PA accounts. What gets me there? 1 trade, maybe 2 trades a day. Does that get me there? The goal is to make money. Sim is not money. Can't find what chat, John? Not sure what you're speaking of. In any event, let me move forward. We'll talk about this, guys, at 11:30. It's right here. Good morning, Barry. It's right there. If you're in the automation group, it's right there. If you're not, log into the member area, and it's in the member area. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily, hang on guys, indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. NASDAQ needs to power through that 37.5 area back to below 800 on the net negative, trying to go below 7. All right, guys. I think 27 seconds and everything will be on. Not doing anything really anywhere. Anybody know if we have Colin speaking? Copper just came down and
Order submitted. Order submitted.
here we go.
Order filled. Order
Here we go. ES got target $400. It's one trade to done. The 1 minute did not get its trade. It was a pending order.
Order canceled.
That would cancel out 60 seconds. We got two. I'm up 300 on one trade on the Ninzarenko on Buellnox on an eval.
Order submitted.
All right, target 2 hit on YM.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, there's a short. On the Ninzarenko.
Order canceled.
Targets hit, $300. And I'm short here at 01.
So what? I got a 94.50, 93-ish. Would you say 92, something like
Yeah,
that?
90, if that 93 goes, I think that thing gets killed. Trying to manage two platforms here. Should come to 380, guys.
Order submitted.
All right, we've got a long now here.
NQ?
Ninzarenko, it's up
Oh.
up $600, guys.
Well, I'm not going to be in this much longer. I don't want this to break above 37.
What's our stop on this, Greg?
37 quarter.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
It's ES is pending.
Order canceled.
Cancel the order. All right, looks like we got one off here on the ES. I'm sorry, NASDAQ.
85 down here as well for me.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Whoop, didn't mean to do that.
Order submitted.
Order filled. Order filled.
Come on.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
All right, ES is long, guys. I'm going to take this off, fellas.
Order filled.
I'm flat.
Dollars to make pennies. Come on.
Come on, ES, give me that target. Be done for the day. Let's go. It's pushing. We just need that little swing to go at that 31, 32 area, and this goes, NASDAQ goes. Come on, ES. ES just needs to pop 65. There it goes. Come on, dog. Oh, one frickin' tick. One
How about
frickin'.
him?
Come on.
Order canceled.
All right, guys, done for the day on ES, up 800. 2 trades, 2 winners, done and done. Two trades, 2 winners here, up 600, done and done. Well, not done. I'm trying to get 900 out of that.
Order filled. Order submit. Order filled.
There we go.
Order filled.
Okay, targets hit there. All right, guys, up 690 and 235 on Buell Knox. 690 and 235, but I don't know why. I'm not getting trades here. Hang on. I'm not getting anything on my 1 minute here. That's so freaking odd. 935. Yeah, what the hell? Don't know why I'm not getting any trades on a 1 minute here today. Anybody getting trades on the 1 minute?
Order canceled.
All right, out, up 435. That's basically my daily goal, 450. It's done.
Order submitted.
Come on, crackhead, don't do that. This is going to go to a loss. Some sellers, 1100. I mean, it's the volume is pretty light. We're up and down 10, 15, 20 contracts. That's it. If this needs to break that 90 area and this gets flushed, I'll show it to you on this chart here. Not likely. Volume completely sucks. Crude looks to me shorts. If this gets lucky and gets target, I'm shutting it off. That'll be at 900. That'll be it. Took some heat. Back to entry. Come on, break here and give me a target. Oh, you turkey. It's got to break below 03 and it should push back down to 90. We're at 1165, 62, 54. I mean, it's just garbage volume here, fellas. If you've made,
Order submitted.
there's the 1 minute.
Order canceled.
Targets hit. First trade on the 1 minute. Break here. Man, it's still holding this freaking 03. That's got to break.
I'm waiting for a break one way or the other.
This is just shit on the indices today. It's an hour-long trade to get 5 freaking handles. Seriously, this is flat. We're just dead flat. God. Nothing's moving. Anybody know if we have a Fed speaker right now?
Here they come.
They're
Keep
selling.
that.
They're
Yeah.
not. Come on, dog. Seriously?
Order canceled.
Woof. I'm done. $900. That was like 900 the hard way. 900 the hard way. Mine are off, guys. The only thing continuing to run is the 1 minute. And I'll only take longs at this point. Okay? Everything is green. Everything is 100% winners. I am not taking any more trades on those 3. Come on, got to get above here. 18. This gray bar here. Right there. Come on, rat bag. Here we go. Here we go. A little bit of resistance, 25.
I got 28 as well.
Yeah. Let's go, dog. There we go. Out of the red and into the black. 1 trade. Here we go. Let's go get VWAP. Come on, cowboy. Now I want that to hold 17. We're down 750 on the negative delta. They bought them all back.
Order submitted.
That's cool.
Order submitted.
All right, long on the 1 minute. Looks like it hit.
Order
There it is,
canceled.
up 600. Boom, chaka laka, boom, baby. All right, now we need this right there to go. And then we're free and queer. We're down 740 on the negative delta. Let's go, homeboy. Come on. And 42 is going to have to go. If it goes, we get above VWAP, this thing goes big time. Some small sellers in here, some profit taking. I'm on the close button, guys. Come on, let's pop it. I want 12 quarter to hold. That's as far as I'm giving it. Come on. We're in a sell zone here. This has got to hold. It did. Come on. Let's go. Buy them up. Back to 860 on the delta. Looks like they're going to try to force this back to 06 half. Come on, buy them up. 877. There we go. Buyers coming in. Buyers. Come on, buyers. They just bought 40. Sellers are pressing them in this zone here, guys. Sellers. I'm out.
Order filled.
I'm flat. I'm flat. If this gets target, it's done for the day, fellas. Done for the day. It'll be 3 trades, 3 winners. I mean, this should now push to 16 half. That should be the next area up. God, it's slow though. This gets above 16 half, we're going 32. Next 2-minute bars in 7 seconds. You. Come on, just buy them up. They're buying some. Trying to go below 1,500. Nope, sellers hit them again. Buyers are trying, guys. There's a war going on right here in this area. Basically between Greg's entry and 16. If it breaks 16 half, I think she's good to go. Come on, go below 1,500. Let's go, push. This thing can't go freaking 5 handles. Hit it. I am done. $900, 3 for 3. I am done. Now we're over 16. Now we go 32. God, that was painful. I'm going to have to find Greg's patience somewhere.
The only reason.
Done. Done. If you're here on trial, these are not trading anymore. 3 trades, 3 winners, up 900. 3 trades, 3 winners here, up 900. 2 trades, 2 winners, up 800. 1 trade, 1 winner, up 435. As Roberto Duran once famously quipped, no mas. They're done. I'm done. The daily video. Greg, if you jump out, usually you do before I'm done here. Thank you again, brother. I appreciate it. I will see you tomorrow.
I'm going to stick with this for a little while just so you all know. But okay, see you, Bob.
I'll see you tomorrow, brother. All right. In the overnight session, gold on the Ninja Renko. Daily goal at 750. Gold on the 15-minute. Daily goal exceeded at 1180. Crude on the 3-minute up 1300. Daily goal exceeded. Copper up 712.50. ES 2 trades, 2 winners up 800. YM one trade, one winner, up 435. NASDAQ on the 1 minute, 3 trades, 3 winners, up 900. NASDAQ on the Ninja Ranko, 3 trades, 3 winners, up 900. Okay? So 9 and 9, 18. And ES 2600, 3035 in the cash session, right? 3035 plus 712 plus 1300 plus 1180 and 750. So from 1 a.m. last night, 6,977 and 50 cents. Hell of a trade, guys. For those of you that have the trend candles, I'll see you in 25 minutes.